welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics today class 7 chapter 8 Algebraic Expressions exercise 8b question number 1. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. This one is add the following monomials, right? Now what is saying here? We have to add these following monomials given to us here. Now you also have to see one thing, that we have to add the like monomials in this. Okay, we can only add the like ones, and by like ones what do I mean? Monomials which have the same variable part. Right, now here you see the first one, we have 8xy plus 2xy plus 9xy. All the terms have xy as their variable part, so these are like terms. Now we proceed further on to the next step. What is our next step? In the next step what we do is we add the numerical coefficients, or you can say numerical part of our expression. So you can see of our term here, the numerical coefficient is 8, here is 2, here is 9. We add all three of these up, right? So let's do that. 8 plus 2 10 plus 9 is 19. Alright, and the variable part though, what we do for the variable part, it is not that we write xy 3 times, no, just simply write xy. The common variable part in all three is written here as well. This becomes our answer, 19xy. Let us move on to the next part. Now on to the next one. This is 6a plus 5a minus 3a minus 3a. Right, now again we move on to solve all of these. Right, so first of all you can see over here, first of all we have to add them, so we have to put a plus sign here. We will write these in the brackets. In brackets minus 3a plus, and again in brackets minus 3a. This is the correct way to do this, right? Negative ones are written in this bracket. Now 6a plus 5. You solve this thing. Okay, so first of all let us just open our bracket. So 6a plus 5a will be as it is, plus minus minus 3a plus minus minus 3a. Alright, this is basically what it is. So we again move ahead. Now you can see all the terms have a in their variable part. Right, now next up you write the a as a variable part here. Now what we do with the numerical coefficients, we sum them up, right? So 6 plus 5 is 11, alright, 11, and 11 and minus 3 will be minus 6. So plus 11 and minus 6, that is again what? 5, and 5, and which one? Just 5. Answer becomes 5 here. Alright, let us move on to the next part. Moving on, we have 5 x, sorry, this is not a, this is x cube plus 2x. Right, this you see again, is there a like term here? No. Why so? Because you can see that x square here, okay, and x here, both are two different things, right? X square and x both are two different things. So is the variable part same? No. So this means what? That terms are unlike terms, and when there are unlike terms we just cannot add them. So you simply write this as your answer only, right? 5x square plus 2x, this will be our answer. We don't solve this thing. Alright, let us move on to the next part. Now we move on. Next one is this is minus 40 mn, okay, and plus in brackets minus 30 mn, and then we have plus 18 mn. So just close it, 18 mn. All again all the three terms are like terms here. Why so? Because mn, mn, mn. In all of three we are getting variables m and n. Now we further proceed, we open this bracket up, so minus 40 mn plus minus minus 30 mn and plus 18 mn. Right, this becomes now you further move on. So minus 40 and minus 30. We first add the negative integers. Suppose it is totally up to you in which order you want to add. I am first adding the negative integers here. So minus 40 and minus 30 is minus 70 mn. Right. And still we have the plus 18 mn. So don't forget this. This becomes, now what will you do now is minus 70 and plus 18 have different signs, so we find their difference. This is 70 minus 80 and that is 52, right? 52, so you write that down here, 52 mn. Alright, 52 mn, and the greater one, the number which is greater, we put that sign, that number's sign here. Right? Now for the sign, which one is greater, 70, so we put the minus sign. This becomes our answer. Alright, let us move on to the next part. Now moving on to the next part, this is 6x cube, so we'll write that down, 6x cube plus in brackets minus 4x square plus 5x cube plus 7x square plus 8. Alright, now you can see that we are having terms with x cube in their variable part, x square in their variable part, and just one term with no variable in it, that is 8. Now what we are going to do is, first we are going to add the terms with x cube, then the terms with x square in the variable part, and then simply write this 8 which is left over. So for the x cube, first of all we will open the bracket up, so 6x cube plus minus minus 4x square plus 5x cube plus 7x square plus 8. Now you see we rearrange them, so 6x cube here, and then you find any other term with x cube in its variable part, so this one, this is plus 5x cube. Alright, now any other term? No, just these two terms. Now we have minus 4x square and plus 7x square, right, in last 8. Now when we solve all of this up, this 5 is 11x cube, and then again you see minus 4 here and plus 7 here. So we find out their difference, that is what? Plus 3, right? So you write that down here, plus 3x square. Alright, x square. In last we have plus 8. Now we cannot go any further beyond, we cannot any further beyond add it. So this becomes our answer, 11x cube plus 3x square plus 8. This is our answer. Let us move on to the next part. On to the next one, it is 3.3x, again x it is. So x square y minus 2.4x square y and plus 6.4x square y. Now you see in this, again we first of all take the positive. Again all the three terms are like terms here, x square y, again all of them having the same variable part. So we take the numerical coefficients first. First we take the positive ones. So we have here 3.3x square y. Alright, this, okay, and again over here you can see we'll just put this thing in bracket, I forgot to do so. So plus in brackets minus 2.4xy. Now you open this bracket up, so plus minus minus 2.4xy x square y plus 6.4x square y. In this you can see we have two positive numerical coefficient. This one is plus, this one is also plus, this is minus. So we first add the positive ones, right? Rearrange them, 3.3x square y plus 6.4x square y, and in last minus 2.4x square y. Now this becomes we add them basically. Alright, so this 3 and 4 is 0.7 and 6, 3 and 6 is 9, 9.7 x square y minus, and in minus you can see we have this much part, so we do that minus, sorry, one time 2.4 x square y. This is, now we solve this, so we get 7 minus 4 is 3, so 3 here and decimal point, and 9 minus 2 is 7, so 7.3 x square y. This becomes our answer of the question, 7.3 x square y. Alright, let us move on to the next part. On to the next one. This is 4 upon 5. Let's keep on writing this down. 4 upon 5 a b cube. Alright, plus what do we have? Minus 2 upon 3 a b cube again, and alright, and then plus 1 upon 2 a b cube plus 3 upon 4 a b cube. This is our question. We have to add all of these. So first of all, this will be 4 upon 5 ab cube. Alright, as it is, we open the bracket up, so plus minus 2 upon 3 ab cube, and then last plus 1 upon 2 ab cube, then plus 3 upon 4 b cube. Right, now you can see we have fractions here, and out of which you can see this becomes, basically we need to find the LCM of the denominators of each of these fractions. This 5, 3, 2 and 4. Now we calculate their LCM, the LCM of these denominators. So I'll do it here only, let us do that. This becomes 5, 3, 2, okay, 5, 3, 2 and 4. Alright, we solve this thing. So first of all, this will be divisible by 2. So 5 will be as it is, 3 will be as it is, 2 will be 1, 4 will be 2. Again 2, 5, 3, 1, 1. Then 5, so 1, 3, 1 and 1. In last 3, so 1, 1, 1 and 1. Right, so LCM becomes what? 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Right, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60. Right, so LCM we are getting as 60. So now what we are going to do? Now here 60. You can do this step mentally also if you are good at maths. Okay, now 60 here, and 5, how many times 60 is divisible by 5? 12 times. So 4 into 12, 48. And then this minus 2, okay, sorry, this 3 will be here. 3 goes 20 times by 60. 60 goes 20 times by 3 basically. And minus 2 into 20 will be minus 40. Alright, minus 40. Then we have this 2. So 60 goes how many times by 2? It goes 30 times by 2. Alright, so 1 into 30 will be plus 30. And then in last you see 4. So how many times is it divisible by 4? 1 and 2. Right, so 15 times by 4 as well. So 15 threes is 45. So plus 45. Right, this we will solve. And again we put the AB cube here. Alright, now this you will solve here. So 48 minus 40 is 8. 8 plus 30 is 38. And 38 plus 45. Let us do that. 8 plus 5. So 13. 1 carried over. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. 83. Right. So in the numerator part, what are we supposed to be getting? 83. So I'll write the answer here. Alright. 83 upon 60 a b cube. Right. This becomes our answer. Right, 60 is the denominator. 83 we are getting by solving these numerator part. Alright, and AB cube, this was the like variable part here, so we always have to write this. This becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video also. Leave a like on this video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.